Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Azure portal with an account that owns the subscription. Once signed in, verify you have owner or billing permissions, otherwise cancellation is blocked. Make sure to note the subscription ID and the billing email, and export any invoices you might need later. Backup critical resources now, export VMs, databases, and blob contents, because deletion is permanent. When these steps are complete, navigate to the Subscriptions blade to begin cancellation. You now select the subscription you want to cancel from the Subscriptions blade. Next, review the resources and resource groups listed. Deallocate or delete VMs and stop charges from marketplace offers or reserved instances that might still bill you. Then click Cancel Subscription and carefully follow the portal prompts. Confirm the subscription ID, select the cancellation reason, and accept any terms. Once you confirm, Azure schedules termination. Make sure to read the summary so you understand timing and remaining charges. After confirming cancellation, you should receive an email summarizing the closure. Check billing to verify final prorated charges. Make sure to clear any remaining resources or service-level agreements to avoid orphaned billing. If you change your mind, you can reactivate during the portal grace period, so act quickly. If cancellation does not complete, double-check that you are the billing owner and that there are no outstanding invoices. If issues persist, contact Azure support with your subscription ID for resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.